Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to just give you a quick rundown on how you can make some extra income working with me creating content. Now this is another way to earn income while working with Upstryve. When would you want to do this? Well, this is great for when maybe you don't have that many students on your calendar, or you have some extra time and you want to earn some extra income. You can set up an appointment with me and we can create videos for YouTube, for Facebook. It would work similar to how we created your bio video. If you've met up with me to create that, it would be almost identical to that. The difference would be that you would come prepared with a presentation or some topic to talk about. We would generally meet between 15 to 30 minutes and we would create this video and you would earn your hourly wage on that. We really want to give you freedom to create what you would like, and I'm here to assist you. So we would meet on Zoom and you would come prepared with your presentation. I would record it on my end and then I do all the editing and all the other work later on the back end. It's really a team effort. However, it's something that we offer our tutors so that you can stay active, so that you could be generating income, and it's fun, it's simple. Some examples of something that we could talk about are just 5 tips on what to do if you're going to take your general contractor's exam, or 5 most important things to know before a specific test. Things like that. Those are all things that people are curious about and they want to know more information about, and who better to tell them than an expert like yourself. So if this is something that interests you or something that you would like to do, feel free to contact me through my calendar, which will probably be in your email or in the description of this video, or you could just email me directly and we can set something up. So anytime you have an idea, let me know. I'd love to film with you and create some content. And until our meeting, I'll see you later. Bye.